Hello there. Do you wonder if you can include croissants in your diet menu if you are a vegan? Stay with me to see the answer. Let me first explain briefly what are croissants. Croissants, a famous French traditional food item, fall under the section of laminated pastry. This kind of pastry features a dough folded along with a slice of cold butter in between the folds. As they are baked in the oven, the butter creates a nice layer of steam that puffs up the layers so intricately. At the end of the baking process, you get a flaky, light puffy savory item that melts in your mouth. So are croissants vegan? Croissant can be vegan. The traditional croissants you usually buy are far from vegan. Usually in bakeries and restaurants, you will find non-vegan croissants because the traditional recipe contains several non-vegan ingredients. The most common is butter and eggs. But you should also know that there are many different types of plain croissants that are perfect for vegans. But you have to double-check with the manufacturer what ingredients are they made of. And what makes a typical croissant non-vegan? To make a typical croissant, you need white flour, salt, sugar, yeast for fermentation, milk, eggs, and lots of butter. A layperson who does not know fitness or nutrition can instantly tell that a typical croissant is not vegan. But is it possible to bake or buy one? Be sure to check out my full article in which I inspect all the most popular vegan croissants in the market. I will also share a homemade vegan croissant recipe with you. The link is below in the description. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week.